Hi guys, today we will take a look again into one special crypto company. If you missed last review on this project, please take a look to our last video. Today we will review items of this project and NFT. But for now, take a look at presentation about NFT Deck and stock.
Decks is a new powerful tool that helps NFT communities do more with their favorite unique apes, cats, punks, stars, monsters, waifu, clones, gods, bros, aliens, friends, heroes, lions, ninjas, pandas, pets, zombies, and so on and so forth. Any collection of fantastic creatures can now be wrapped into a single item. Yes, exactly like a deck. Every deck empowers NFT holders to vote in DAOs. You can quickly have liquidity in Uniswap, Balancer, and other AMMs. And you can start playing DeFi games like farming, staking, and even loans. Yeah, NFTs are not just a JPEG anymore. So how do decks work? Don't worry, it's so simple. You can wrap one or more of your favorite apes into the apes deck. For every ape you wrap, you receive one deck item, and then you can start using any fancy utility your community decides to start. At any time, you can burn one or more deck items and select one or more of the apes wrapped. Just to be clear, if you love your unique ape, you don't have to risk someone else unwrapping it, thanks to something we call reservation. Exactly as it sounds, for real NFT nerds, you can wrap your ape into the ape deck and reserve it to be unwrapped only by your wallet for 10 days. Just the time needed to use it in governance, a game, or to do some crazy DeFi things. Every NFT collection is deckable just because it exists. Go to ETHEREANS os.eth to start using Decks. Oh, I almost forgot. Decks use the item technology, so they work both as ERC20 and 1155. You can become an item nerd here. But this is for another time.
Video explains well in a very simple terms. Wrap NFTs into a deck. Wrap NFTs from any collection into a deck, a fungible supply of items. Decks allow NFT communities to access the DeFi and governance worlds directly for the first time. And if you love your NFTs, don't stress, thanks to reservations, no one but you can unwrap them for 10 days. Overpowered tokens. Items are perfectly interoperable tokens on Ethereum. Capable of acting as both ERC20s and ERC1155s, they can do everything any other tokens can and are natively supported by all applications. They can also do things no other tokens can. Items in different collections can be batched together in single transactions, and all can have dynamic on-chain metadata. These are just some of the magical innovations in their repertoire. Wrap NFTs and ERC20s into items. All ERC20s, ERC721s, ERC1155s, and ETH can be wrapped as items and thereby acquire almost all of the capabilities of the item standard. Build native items. Cloned from the items factory, native items possess all capabilities of the item standard, including the ability for their collections to have extensions. This allows their logic to be customized, even to the point that you can use them to build state-of-the-art applications without relying on any assumptions about their fundamental security. ETHEREANS OS governance. The ETHEREANS OS organization is ruled by $OS. OS holders directly govern its finances and development in an entirely on-chain, decentralized, and granular way. On-chain, decentralized, and granular. ETHEREANS OS is the first ever Ethereum organization to be governed 100% on-chain. To be more specific, all structural changes and financial decisions are made, without exception, through the automated, unmediated execution of code via on-chain voting. OS holders vote by staking tokens to support the options put forward by proposals. Tokens can be withdrawn at any time, but beware, if withdrawn before the proposal is validated, the vote won't count. One OS equals one vote. ETHEREANS OS is, as a result, the first ever organization to be truly decentralized. Governance is done through a granular, permission-based, dual-layer system, discussed below. This is designed to allow the team and OS holders to govern the underlying protocol together in a secure and decentralized way, although OS holders always have the final say, and for OS holders to make all financial decisions independently from the team, who can't influence such decisions at all. Looks interesting and promising, right? On the next episode, we will review ETHEREANS Labs and what it does. You will find all the links to this company under this video below. Stay with us and don't miss good projects. See you on the next episode.